At the check-in counter. Hello, I'd like to check in for flight 278 to Paris.
Certainly. May I have your passport and boarding pass, please?
Here you go. Also, I'm traveling with my dog. Is it okay for him to be in the cabin with me?
Absolutely. He'll need to stay in his travel carrier during the flight. Have you completed the necessary paperwork for his travel?
Yes, I have the required health certificate and all the documentation for his entry into France.
Wonderful. Please allow me a moment to verify everything. Everything looks perfect. Your dog's travel documents are in order and is all set to fly with you in the cabin. Your seat is 23B and your dog's carrier will be stored under the seat in front of you.
Thank you so much. I appreciate your help. At the gate. What time is our flight boarding?
It starts boarding in 15 minutes.
Great. I'm going to grab a coffee before we get on the plane.
Me too. Can I get you anything?
Sure, I'd love a latte.
Coming right up.
Here you go.
Thanks.
This is delicious.
I agree.
Attention passengers, Flight 278 to Paris is now boarding. Please proceed to Gate B13.
That's our flight.
Let's go. In the airport security line. This line is moving like molasses. I'm starting to get worried I'll miss my flight.
I know exactly how you feel. I'm cutting it close as well.
Have you ever considered getting TSA pre-check? I've heard it whizzes you through security.
I've thought about it, but I don't travel frequently enough to justify the cost.
I understand. I'm in the same boat. Maybe if this line keeps progressing at this snail's pace, I'll change my mind.
We can dream. At least we have company in our misery.
True. We could be stuck here alone. Tell me, where are you headed?
I'm flying to Miami for a business conference. It's been ages since I've been there. I'm looking forward to a bit of beach time and networking opportunities.
Sounds like a wonderful trip. I'm going to Seattle to visit my family. I haven't seen them in months, so I'm really excited to catch up.
That's fantastic. Family time is precious.
Absolutely. Anyway, back to this line. Any predictions on how long we'll be stuck here?
It seems like the line is starting to move a bit faster. Maybe there's hope yet.
I sure hope so. I wouldn't mind getting some coffee before my flight.
Me too. How about we grab some after we clear security?
Sounds like a plan.
Look, we're finally starting to make progress.
Thank goodness.